Trusted, expandable, prefab home supplier, manufacturing, pricing, and global shipping. At K-Home, every expandable container home starts here, in our own ISO-certified factory. No brokers, no hidden fees, just straight from the source quality and pricing for global clients. But affordability doesn't mean compromise. Every unit is built with precision to fit your exact needs. Choose from 20 feet for compact efficiency or 40 feet for spacious comfort. All engineered for easy transport and rapid deployment. And because we control production from start to finish, customization is effortless. Upgrade to solar roof for off-grid energy use, or add a sun terrace. Your dream configuration, customized on demand. Available in standard, deluxe, and solar roof configurations. This is not just a container house. It is your turnkey solution. Contact us to get your customized solution.